Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. Right-click and choose Display Settings. Once there, scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings so you can target a specific monitor. Make sure you know which display is active. Identify the name, current resolution, and refresh rate because you'll change these values next. This step ensures you're modifying the correct adapter rather than guessing. Take a quick look at color format and bit depth so you have baseline values to revert to if needed. Next, open Display Adapter Properties for the monitor you noted and go to the Adapter tab to examine supported modes. Click List all modes to see combinations of resolution, color depth, and refresh rate. Choose one that matches your needs and hardware capability. Then switch to the Monitor tab and set the desired refresh rate. Make sure the new rate is supported to avoid display instability. Once you select a mode, apply but don't OK yet. Verify the screen behaves normally before finalizing. To finish, click Apply and watch the screen. If you see no flicker or artifacts, click Keep Changes to confirm. If the display goes black or shows artifacts, Windows will revert in 15 seconds. If not, force a restart into safe mode and reset settings from there. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date and test a different cable or port. Some issues stem from mismatched cables like older HDMI versus DisplayPort. Once stable, document the working settings for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.